Question 1 of this exercise says the length and the breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. So we have to find two things in it. First we have to find its area and we have to find the cost of the land if 1 square meter of the land costs 10,000 rupees. So let's start with the first part. In the first part we have to find the area of the rectangular piece of land, and we know the formula to find the area of rectangle, that is length into breadth. So we know the length, that is 500 meter, and we know the breadth, that is 300 meter. We just need to multiply them to find the area. So we will get 1 5 and there will be 4 zeros square meter. So that will be the area of the rectangular piece of land. Now in the next part it is given that the cost of the land we have to find if 1 square meter of the land cost rupees 10,000. So 2 square meter will cost 20,000. Similarly for 150,000 it will be 150,000 multiplied by 10,000. So the total cost we will get will be 1 500 000 and 000. So that will be the cost of the land.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.